Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose. They dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.
Today, little gardeners, I have to do some work in the garden, but I'm going to need my friend Wonky the Wheelbarrow. It's Buzz!
Hi Gary, I'm Buzz Lightyear, Infinity and beyond! I can help you,
Marvellous!
Hello, Buzz Lightyear. You're my hero.
Hello, Wonky. Thanks, Buzz. That was brilliant.
To infinity and beyond!
Hooray!
Going, Gary. What do you need me to do, Gary?
We have to move all this earth to another part of the garden so we can grow some new plants together.
Have I a wheelbarrow to help you?
Wonderful, Buzz.
On with your wheel, Wonky.
It fell off a few years ago, and Gary tried to bend it, but he couldn't get it quite to go in one direction.
I tried my best, Wonky, and we still get the work done, but it just takes a bit longer.
Always ready to work for you, Gary.
Hey, Buzz, you have a red wheelbarrow like Wonky.
Very dare you, Gary.
Sorry, Buzz.
It's finished. Good job, Gary.
How diddly dare you?
Off we go, Gary.
Okie dokie.
Oh, sorry, Gary.
Oh, do be careful, Buzz. It's Wonky that has the wobbly wheel.
We're going the wrong way.
This is the way.
No, this is the right way. Over here, Gary.
Let's go raking.
Bit hard work, aren't it, Gary?
It certainly is, Buzz. We're now going to plant these into the ground. First of all, put in the blue one.
That's not right, Gary. It's no letter.
Oh, have I got my colours wrong again?
Yes, Gary.
Okay, put the yellow one in first. That's the way to do it, Buzz. Put in the green one.
That's not right, Gary. These are pink.
Oh no, don't say I've got it wrong again. Well done. That's the way to do good gardening. And all the butterflies and bees will have lovely smells in the garden and collect all the nectar. Good job, Buzz.
I can help you count them, Gary. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Now, Buzz, we will have to water them with Leaky the Watering Can. Can you go and find Leaky?
Also I can, Gary. I'm Buzz. That's what with the plants, Gary.
Oops, sorry, Buzz.
How pretty are you?
Let's water them together, Buzz. That was a very good job, Leaky.
Thank you, Gary. Hey, what about me, Gary? Don't forget me.
Oh no, I would never forget you, Wonky. You did a great job as well. Well done, both of you. What a great team we make with Buzz Lightyear as well. So that's it for today, little gardeners. Say goodbye, Buzz.
Bye.
Oh, cheerio, everybody. Cheerio. Goodbye.
Let's blast off to my planet, Gary.
Okay, Buzz.
Let's go.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.